Are Polaroid cameras still made? Imagine holding a photograph in your hands just moments after capturing it. This instant gratification is what made Polaroid cameras a beloved choice for many photography enthusiasts. But with the rise of digital photography, one might wonder about the fate of these iconic cameras. Polaroid, originally founded in 1937, became famous for its instant film technology. The company faced various challenges over the years, including bankruptcy in 2001. However, the brand was revived in 2000, when a new company, the Impossible Project, acquired the rights to Polaroid's instant film and camera technology. They began producing new film for vintage Polaroid cameras and eventually introduced new models. Today, Polaroid cameras are still being manufactured. The Polaroid Originals brand, which emerged from the Impossible Project, has released several new instant cameras, including the Polaroid One Step 2 and the Polaroid Now. These cameras combine retro design with modern features, appealing to both nostalgic users and new generations. In addition to the cameras, Polaroid continues to produce instant film, ensuring that users can enjoy the classic experience of instant photography. The revival of interest in analog photography has contributed to the ongoing production of Polaroid cameras and film. So, to answer the question, yes, Polaroid cameras are still made, and they continue to capture moments in a unique and tangible way.